हेलो दोस्तों, गेट का नोटिफिकेशन आ चुका था और आज से गेट की फॉर्म फिलिंग भी स्टार्ट हो चुकी है। यस, टुडे वी हैव स्टार्टेड 11th ऑफ सितंबर द फॉर्म फिलिंग ऑफ गेट। और आपके दिल में बहुत सारे बटरफ्लाइज चल रहे होंगे, सर फॉर्म कैसे भरें। बहुत सारे बच्चे टेंशन में आते हैं एंड स्पेशली व्हेन थर्ड ईयर के बच्चों के लिए भी गेट ने अलाउ किया है कि आप गेट का फॉर्म भर सकते हो, तो आपके दिल में और ज़्यादा टेंशन होगी। तो मैं रोहन, आपका वन ऑफ द मेंटर्स, हैज़ कम टू गाइड यू कि गेट के फॉर्म में क्या क्या चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना है। सबसे पहले गेट के फॉर्म के लिए आपको वेबसाइट पता होनी चाहिए। अगर नहीं पता है, गूगल पे सर्च कीजिए गेट 2021 और सबसे पहले आपको GOPS का वेबसाइट आएगा। IIT बॉम्बे जो इस बार गेट का एग्जाम कंडक्ट करने वाली है, उसकी सारी डिटेल्स आपको वहां पर मिल जाएगी। आपको जाके फॉर्म पे क्लिक करना है। आप अगर इंस्ट्रक्शन पढ़ेंगे, सारी चीज़ें बहुत क्लियरली मेंशन की जाएंगी। सबसे पहली चीज़, आपको अपनी पर्सनल डिटेल्स भरनी होगी, जिसमें नाम, ईमेल आईडी, फ़ोन नंबर, एड्रेस, एवरीथिंग विल कम इनटू पिक्चर। सेकेंडली, आपको अपनी एकेडमिक डिटेल्स भरनी होंगी। एकेडमिक डिटेल्स कुछ इस तरह की दिखेंगी आपको, और एकेडमिक डिटेल्स के अंदर आपको अपना कॉलेज, अपने सेमेस्टर, मार्क्स और वो सारी चीज़ें सबमिट करनी होंगी। कभी कभी ये लोग सर्टिफिकेट्स मांगते हैं। अगर आपके पास सर्टिफिकेट्स अभी हैं EWS का, कैटेगरी का, तो सबमिट कीजिए। अगर उसका कोई फॉर्मेट दिया है IIT की वेबसाइट पे, उस फॉर्मेट में आपको साइन करा के सबमिट करना होगा।
So now on this page you have to click on Gate Online Application Portal. Now you have to first click on New User because you have to register yourself first. Then after that you can log in. So in this here you have to write your name, first name, middle name, and surname. If you are not having any middle name, then please keep this blank. Then confirm and go continue. Now you have to enter your mail ID, and after that you have to confirm. Don't copy and paste because here you have to enter your mail ID again. Then you have to enter the mobile number. One thing remember, your mobile number and mail ID you have to keep in such a way that every details regarding the GATE examination you will get at your mail ID and mobile number. And after that you have to enter the password. One more thing that you have to remember here, you can go to the specification option like here, and here it is mentioned that you don't have to enter 1 2 3 4 date of birth or some numbers. So accordingly you have to fill the password. So enter your password, then again confirm that password. You have to do this calculation and then click on submit option. So you have done your registration. Now you have to enter your mail ID that you have given at the time of registration, and then password that you have given at the time of registration. Now do the simple mathematics. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Then click on submit. Then start filling GATE 2020 application form. So before that, click on that option. I hereby declare that. Start filling GATE 2020 application form. Now you have to enter the examination paper. Suppose I want to appear the GATE examination in aerospace engineering. So accordingly I have to enter this. I have to click on the aerospace engineering paper. Now choice of examination country. As we all know that GATE examination is conducted in 5 to 6 countries. So if I belong to India, then I have to click on India. Then choice of the examination city. Suppose I want to appear this examination in Ahmedabad. So the first option will be Ahmedabad, and the second, third option I can give nearby the Ahmedabad, like Gandhinagar or Vadodara also. Then you will get Vadodara. Now after that you have to verify your mail address and mobile number. So click on verify email address, and you will get a OTP at your mail ID. So type your OTP and then click on OK. It's get verified. Now again do the same thing for your mobile number. Verify mobile number. You will get an OTP at your mobile. Then click on OK. It got verified. Now you have to enter your date of birth. Continue. Then gender, nationality Indian, category. One more thing that I will tell you here. As we all know that in general there will be two categories. The first one is only general. The second one is general EWS. यानी कि आपने सुना होगा 10% जो इकोनॉमिकली बैकवर्ड कास्ट वाले मिल रहा है, जिसकी फादर की इनकम दैट इज लेस देन 8 lakhs. Then in that condition you can click on general EWS. For clicking on general EWS category, you should have the certificate of that particular things. Don't click because it will be already by default it will be no candidate Again, you have to click on country of permanent residence, India, and state, like Gujarat, I have filled. Now, this is very important that I'll tell you, because whatever the ID proof you will select here, you have to enter the ID proof number, and one more thing, you have to show this ID proof while you will enter at the examination for GATE 2020 examination. So accordingly, click on the option ID proof, enter your ID PAN card number, then name of the parent name, now the residence country, parent mobile number, correspondence address, pin code, country, India, address, then city, Ahmedabad. Next, college pin code. Suppose your college is in India, then you have to enter the pin code of the college. And if your college is out of India, then in that condition you have to enter 9999999. Okay, so I am pursuing my engineering in India, so I will enter the pin code of my college, then country of college, India, now state, that will be your Gujarat, city, Ahmedabad, institute registration number or roll number, your engineering roll number you have to enter here. Now qualifying degree, here you have to click on your qualifying degree. Suppose if university is giving a Bachelor of Engineering degree, so accordingly in that condition you have to enter B. If your university is giving Bachelor of Technology degree, BTech degree, then in that condition you have to enter BTech. So I have entered B. Then discipline, aerospace, because I want to appear in GATE examination in aerospace engineering also, that's why. Have you graduated in the above degree? Suppose here, if you have completed your bachelor, in that condition you have to click on yes. In that condition you will require your degree certificate. And if you are pursuing your engineering, it means you can say that if you are in 7th semester, then in that condition you have to click on the option no, and in that condition you have to upload a certificate that will be signed by your head of the department. So in that condition, suppose I am pursuing my bachelor degree, so I have to click on the no option. So I have to write here the year in which I will be graduated. So I have written 2021. Okay, now degree awarding university, now the college name. So you have to upload photograph here according to this resolution and the width and height aspect ratio, and then you have to upload your signature, and at last you have to upload your document certificate. Like if you are already graduated, then in that condition you have to upload your final degree, or if you are pursuing your engineering, then in that condition you can upload a particular format, and the format will be here. This will be your format. You have to enter your name, father name, and then department, college name, and your recent photograph. Okay, and then you can sign roll number, registration number, everything. And after getting the signature of your head of the department with institute seal and the date, you have to make this file in PDF format. And after making this file, this Word file in PDF format, you have to upload here, because it is mentioned here that you have to upload this particular certificate in PDF format. The size of PDF format should be greater than 10 KB and less than 500 KB. Okay, and after uploading, if it will get successfully uploaded, then you will get the green signal like eligibility certificate uploaded successfully. And after uploading these three documents, these three things, you have to click on select source of information like GATE 2020 poster, internet. So whatever you want, then you can click on. So I have clicked internet search, and after that you have to click on this checkbox. And after clicking this, one thing you can do before submit and proceed to payment, you can check save and view application form. So once again you can verify all the details that you have given. After that you can click on submit and proceed to payment. So if these documents will be uploaded, then definitely your page will be directed to the payment option. You can do the payment through net banking also, or debit card, credit, whatever you want. And after submitting, this application form will be over. Thank you.